Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Your Christmas Elf by Jodi Stepler and Aiym Akhmatzhanova. Please enjoy. Your Christmas Elf. Did you know each child has a designated elf? One that knows you better than you may know yourself. From January 1st to the beginning of November, your elf checks in on you and your good or bad behavior. Now, this is not their only job. They each do something unique, like baking treats with Mrs. Claus or making toys that squeak. Feeding reindeer in the barn or jiggling the bells, even shining up the coat for those who don't behave as well. There's ginger snaps and jungle hopper, candy cane, and Bob, and many other special elves who have this part-time job. But comes November 1st until Christmas Eve night, they stay around your house while keeping out of sight. They ride with you to school to make sure you do your best, and then back home again until it's time to rest. Are you being good at home, being helpful and kind and caring? Are you cleaning up your mess and making sure you're sharing? All of your behaviors get written in a book. Your elf makes sure to write them down so Santa Claus can look. If you think you hear a jingle or see a streak of red or green, it may be your Christmas elf trying to be seen. They want to keep you on your toes so you'll be the best self. And Santa gets a good report from your very special elf. So on Christmas Eve, when leaving cookies near the tree, maybe leave a note or a gift for your elf if you believe. Yep. How many of you leave cookie and milks for Santa? Well, you might want to do that. Leave a note for your elf as well. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and happy holidays, everybody.